Hey guys, Todd Ault here, Wall Street veteran, intentionally building success into my daily life. One thing I love about being me is that no one can tell me I can't. In fact, I love to hate being told no. Okay, I know that sounds like a bad pickup line in a cheap leather bar, but I don't mean it that way. What I mean is being told no motivates me almost more than anything else. I don't want to be told something can't happen. It may be true for you, but not for me. I love what Ben Silverman, founder of Pinterest, said. He said, just build things and find out if they work. I love that spirit. I just want to build things and find out if they work. That experimental rush is one of the joys of being in business for yourself. It's why people become artists. It's why some people live off the grid. And it's why some people dance. It's an exciting way to live your life, and it's why I invest in companies. So the next time that someone tells you no,
How about no?
let that negativity affect you. Let it get under your skin. Let it make you crazy in the best way possible. Turn it into the kind of motivation that makes you want to succeed. So go ahead, make my day. Tell me no and see what I do with all that motivation. I've given you gold. Now run with it.